Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, we are 100k subscribers strong now. I'm so happy. Thanks a lot for all your support. So, as per today's title, you can know we are going to create this even eyeshadow, and I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks, everything I do. So, let's not waste time and let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we need are these eyeshadow guards. You can get them from Amazon. I'm going to place them from beneath my lower lash line to my brow, where my brow ends. I'm going to do the same thing on to my other eye also, from my lower lash line till the tail of my brow. We are going to create a smoky wing look here. So first I'm going to take this brown shade, and this is going to be a transition shade. I'm going to apply it near my brow bone. So as I apply it on this eye, I'm going to do the same motion, same amount of eyeshadow onto the other side also. I believe that whatever amount of work I'm doing on one eye, I do that simultaneously on the other eye also. That is when you can get this equal eye look. Now I'm going to take this pencil brush with this dark brown shadow. I'm going to start off applying from my outer third to my crease. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye also. We are going to create a wing. So I'm taking it from my outer third, outer V to my crease. Now I'm going to take this darkest brown and I'm going to apply it further onto my outer V and my crease. I'm going to deepen the shadow here.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives in.
Next, I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and I will slowly start creating a wing. If you are seeing, I'm not taking up into my whole lash line. I'm stopping only onto the outer third of my lash line. Take your time because the wing is the whole look. So as you can see, I'm applying it onto the outer third of my upper lash line. I'm going to take the mirror exactly parallel to my eyes and I'm going to create this wing. Like that, you can see, you can create an equal shape. You can have control on the shape of both the eyes. Next, I'm going to apply shimmer. I believe that shimmer applied with fingers is the best. You can get the best pigment out of your fingers. I don't believe in applying shimmer or shimmer pigments with brushes. I always apply it with my fingers. As you can see, we have already got a beautiful pigment and 3/4 of our eye look is done here. So take your time. We're going to apply it on from the outer third to the inner 1/4 of the lid. I'm sorry if this is sounding complicated for you, but I'm showing you the visual. And I'm going to take the same dark brown shade and apply it to my lower lash line also. We are extending the wing towards our lower lash line. And then I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply mascara. I'm not going to apply any false eyelashes because I believe that all this beautiful glitter will get concealed in those false eyelashes. So I'm going to just leave it like that. We've already got this beautiful look. If you want, you can apply false eyelashes, but this is concentrated much for hooded eyes also. So I'm leaving it just like that. Next, I'm going to apply a brown kohl pencil into my lash lines. All the details will be in the description box below. And I'm going to apply the same shimmer shade in my lower lash line also. See, we have got this party chic look. You see that, how beautiful it is looking, and we are going to finish it off with a coat of mascara. So that's it, we are done. I hope I have helped you out and I'm going to consider all the requests. So please keep supporting me and show me in the comments below how you like this. I will see you in my next video. Stay safe, enjoy. Bye guys, I love you. See you. Bye bye.
Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful